Okay, we made the holes on the slider, and we're gonna use soft tape screws to mount the rock lights like this, and then we're gonna run the wires through the frame all the way to the front. Okay, I'm gonna use this with the zip test. I already cleaned up the surface with alcohol, and we're gonna put one. I'm leaving them loose right now to make sure the wire reaches the controller. Together. Nice. We're gonna run the wire through the top of the frame up through. Gonna run by the brake line. Like this. Okay. A ver, dame. Lo ajustas con este. Now we routed the wires through the side of the wall up into the back of the engine bay through the. I'm using the same engine harness all the way to the fuse panel. This is how we routed the harness through the main engine harness. And now we're gonna clean up. We're gonna find a place to mount the box, the controller, away from the engine bay, and we're gonna try to hide all these wirings. ¿Por qué se ve sin cuadritos tú? ¿O eso es el nuevo?